Robert from Pasadena has a question about metal roofing.
He's considering one for his house.
Good.
All right. Robert writes, one contractor said they can put the metal over the existing shingles, and another says that's not recommended. So, Tom, Robert wants to know, which is better?
Oh, take the shingles off.
Okay.
And the reason is if you get a good metal roof,
right,
it's put on right, you'll never, ever have to get another roof.
And if you leave the old one on, you've got that old roof decaying underneath it.
Yeah, you don't know what's going to happen. Yeah, so you want it to be a clean slate, as we say.
I could see where a roofer might say, let's leave the old one under there because it adds protection.
No.
It does, okay.
You asked Jim Hardwick over at Ideal Roofing.
No, I'm just saying. They're
going to take it off. They're going to use a metal roofing underlayment on the decking.
Okay.
So it sits nice and flat. And they do it right. And we've had a question before, I think it was last week, Charlie, where people say we have pros and cons about metal roofing.
Yeah.
And it was all about installation.
Right.
And that's what I'm getting at is you do it once, you do it well, get it off, and then the old roof off, and get the right underlayment for the metal on there, and you'll never, ever think about it again.
So you pick the right roof, which we would say would be
the right roofer.
A Mueller metal roof.
Oh, of course.
Without a doubt.
Actually, they don't call them metal. They call Mueller steel roofs.
Oh, my. All right.
You got to do that. Made in America and made to last.
I'm sure the marketing department had nothing to do with that.
Yes.
Anyway, then Ideal Roofing can put it on for you.
Oh, absolutely.
All right. You got a question? You send it in. We can answer it for you. How does that work? You go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom form. When you send it in, we'll take your question, answer it in one of these videos, or maybe put it on our Facebook Live broadcast.